What's your name?
Peter.
Peter, how old are you?
I'm good.
How old are you?
I'm 5.
What color do you like?
I like red.
What animal do you like?
I like dog.
Okay, so now, Peter, what letter is this?
F is for
Letter?
fish. Letter F. F is for fish. F is for fox.
Very good. What letter is this?
Q is for duck.
Queen.
Queen. Q is for
Quilt.
quilt.
Okay, next. What letter is this?
Is a
Letter
letter
G.
G is for goat. G is for goose.
Okay, next. What letter is this?
F is for house.
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 H is
S is for
hat.
hat.
Okay, what letter is this?
I is for
Ice.
ice cream. I is for insect.
Okay, what letter is this?
Is
J.
J is for jacket. J is for jump.
And this one?
K is for kid.
Kite.
K is for kite. K is for kid.
Oh, key.
Key.
Next.
L is for lion. L is for lamp.
Very good. What letter is this?
M
M.
is for moon. M is for man.
How about this one? Letter N.
M is for no. M is for
N.
lumber. N is for lumber.
Okay, next.
O is for orange. O is for onion.
Very good. This one? P.
P.
P is for?
P is for pencil. P is for pig.
And then this one?
W is for the road. W is for
Wall.
wall.
Next one? Z.
is for zebra. Z is for zoo.
Very good. Okay, what do you see?
It's one.
I see a pink.
I see one pig.
I see a pink.
I see a pink pig.
Okay, what do you see?
I see one goat.
What do you see?
I see a rabbit.
What color?
It is
Blue.
blue.
What do you see?
I see a
White.
white sheep.
Okay, what do you see?
I see a white rooster.
What do you see?
I see a brown horse.
And what do you see?
I see a brown
Orange.
hen.
And what do you see?
I see a
Gray.
gray
Goose.
goose.
Okay. Goodbye, Peter. High five. Yes.